Hi children, how are you? Today I am going to teach you clothes. Lesson in the social. Here look at this. Name these clothes. You are given one of the assignment. You are given a different types of the clothes. Pant, frock, shirt, then skirt. First I will read and explain it. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes also protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain, germs and dust. We wear different kinds of clothes depending on the season, the place we live in and the work we do. During summer, we wear clothes that keep us cool. Cotton is used to make such clothes. We get cotton from the cotton plant. During winter, we wear clothes that keep us warm. Clothes made of wool are warm. We get wool from sheep. A sheep's body is covered with thick hair. This hair is cut, cleaned, and made into pure wool. Nowadays, we also get artificial wool, which is man made. People knit sweaters, socks, gloves, and many other things from wool. Warm clothes are also worn in places that are very cold, such as the mountains. We also wear clothes made from silk, fur, and leather during winter. We get silk from silkworms, we get fur from animals like rabbit and fox. We get leather from the skin of buffaloes, goats, snakes, etc. We also make shoes, bags, belts, wallets, purses, etc. from leather. During the rainy season, we use this that protect us from the rain and keep us dry. These things are usually made of rubber and plastic, such as raincoats, gumboots, umbrella, etc. People in different countries wear different types of clothes. People wear special clothes at their workplaces. This is called the uniform. School students also wear uniform. Doctors, pilot, policeman, astronaut. We should wear clean clothes. We look smart when we wear the clean clothes. So I'll explain it. We wear clean clothes. Why do we wear the clothes? Say I said in this class, there are 5 basic needs to ours. Which one? Hair, water, food, clothes, shelter. These are the 5 basic needs to live on the earth. So like that, even clothes also one of the necessity to us. Why? Because we have to cover our body. Without cover our body, what will happen? We'll get a cold, we'll get a hot, and when the rain, it will get cold our body. Then germs, dust all will come on the body. So that's why we always wear the clothes. It protects us from the even heat, cold, dust, rain, wind, germs, from these all. Then in a cloth there are many different types of cloths are there. So it is depending upon the season like summer, winter and monsoon, that means rainy. So in a summer we wear different type of cloths like cotton. Then winter we wear the woolen clothes. Then in rainy season we wear the leather clothes. It is we live and work we do. And we wear clothes where we living and where we working. So depend upon work and living also the clothes will be changed. See, I said in the summer season, during the summer season we wear the cotton clothes. Which are that? Cotton cloths. How is that cotton cloths? See, during the summer we wear the cotton cloths. Why? Because it can keep us cool. So, what we have sweating from our body, that provide better hair circulation to more observation of sweat, and so that's why these cotton cloths keeps us cooling. How we get cotton cloths? From the cotton plant. So we get cotton from the cotton plant, and from the cotton plant they make the many types of the cotton cloths. During the winter we wear that woolen cloths. We wear the woolen cloths like sweaters, cap, socks, gloves, uh, scarf. So these are the woolen cloths. How it can made? Cloths are made of wool. Also, it can keep us warm. So we get wool. Where do we get wool? We get wool from the sheep. A sheep's body is covered with thick hair. Is it no? So when we cut that hair, we will get like this wool. So this is the artificial wool which is man-made. So people knit the sweaters, socks, gloves. So this is the knitting. So many other things from the wool. So always this wool cloth keeps our warm. So warm cloths are also worn in place that where have very cold, such as mountains. So we have the cold places we wear these things. Which one? Woolen items. Then raincoats. Do you know the raincoat? We wear this raincoat in the rainy season. So it can protect us from the rain and keep us always dry. So these things made from the rubber or plastic, such as raincoat, gum boots, umbrella. These things made from the rubber. Then we also wear clothes made from the silk, fur, leather in the during winter also. So these are the weather leather things. Which one? The leather bag, leather purse, leather pouch, again leather belt, leather shoes, so leather hat, so leather purse. Like this, many leather things we can use in the winter. So how we get leather? So which animals can died dead? Which are like buffaloes, goats, snakes. So after that dead animals, they are taking the skin of that animals. They are using and making like this leather things. Okay, children, and some cloths made from the silk. So that means silk worm. From the silk worm made the silk cloths. Again, some from the fur, rabbit fur, fox fur, like sheep fur. From these made the sweaters, woolen types of the clothes, scarves. These are. Then people in different countries wear different types of the clothes. You know that our India is very special because in our Indian people wearing different types of the clothes like sari, salwar, uh, dhoti, kurta. Like this, many types of the clothes they can wear in India. Even Japan, Afghanistan, Pakistan. So each and every country they have the different types of the code in the clothes. People wear special clothes at their workplace. So even uh, people wearing different clothes. So where they go to the work. For example, students when they go to the school, they always wear the uniform. So that is different. Not only the students wearing the uniform, even doctors wearing the uniform, policeman wearing the uniform, pilot wearing the uniform, astronaut wearing the uniform. Like this, different field have the different types of uniforms. Then we always wear the clean clothes. Why? Why? Because we always wear the clean clothes. Because we look smart when we wear the clean clothes. So always you wear the dirty clothes, so you know you looking not smart. If you want to look smart, you always wear the clean clothes. And when we wear the clean clothes, it can protect our body from the germs. Okay children, I hope you are understand well this lesson. Next class I'll continue the lesson in this social topics. Bye.